Woo! I love it. So what do I think about the mirror? I love it. Like, the closer the mirror to you is, you can see more. You can see closer. Woo! I love it. So let's get back with the mirror. The mirror costs about $54 on eBay. It's the same quality as the ram mounts, plastics, everything. One second, let me turn here. Woo! Like the law here in Florida, you have to have one mirror to see the back. Man, this mirror is awesome.
Wow.
Right here, the ball, like, you can adjust whatever you want. I'm gonna link in the description on where you can get this on eBay if you want it. What else? Since I've done the mirror already, I'm gonna talk about vlogging. All right, vlogging. It is hard at the beginning. I realized that. For the motovloggers out there, I salute you. Okay, I salute you, because it's a lot of work for you. If you just started, I just started. It's a lot of work. Boy, I mean, just the cutting, the editing, rendering, just making content. I mean, look at these notes. I have to have notes so I won't forget, so I won't waste my time and your time. I haven't ridden in about 3 days because I've been working on just the editing part. The editing, the thumbnails. So the secret of being a good motovlogger is to constantly upload. I had to slow down, there's cops in here. Yeah, this mirror is still working. I can see cars passing. I can see cars behind me. See, I know this area really well. Right here is a cop. Right here is just standing by. I'll show you. See, this car is just speeding, man. They don't care. And the cop probably doesn't care. Oh, there you go. Here you go. They all started braking. They all started braking. These cars are local. They know that, but they speed. I don't know why. Woo! Oh, let me go here. I'm gonna park right here and show you the bike. I don't want to make this video too long. It's about 250 degrees here in Florida. No, just kidding. It's really hot, I'm telling you. It's really hot. So here you go. sleek. No more mirrors. The mirrors here looks nice.
Wow.
Beautiful. All blacked out. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. So take care, and be kind to yourself, and be grateful to the people around you, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.